the last class discussion about this introduction about control system, and now we are discussion about same model 1, that is the mathematical model of, and this is the mathematical model physical system. They are mathematical model, system element, electrical system, analogy system, all those things will come on the model 1. Now modeling of the mechanical system. Now the most control system, they contain mechanical as well as electrical component. With all those some system, even though hydraulics and pneumatic elements also. From mathematical viewpoint, the description of mechanical and electrical elements are analogies. Means the difference between this mechanical system is connected to electrical system. From electrical element system is connected to mechanical system. This mechanical system, the motion of the mechanical elements can be described in various dimensions as translations and rotational or combination. That the mechanical system, there are two type of system. One is the translation system, another is rotation system or combining. Okay, and this equation governing by the motion of mechanical systems are formulated or direct or indirect from the Newton's law of motion. Newton's law of motion. In mechanical translation system, those which are motion take place along with the straight line. That is the mechanical translation system are those which the motion take place along with the straight line. The variable that are used describe translation system motions are acceleration, velocity, displacement, Newton law of translation system. They stated that the algebraical sum of forces acting on a rigid body given direction is equal to product of the mass of the body and its acceleration in the same direction. Therefore, the law is can be expressed as this summation of expression and in equal to m into a of t, where m is the mass of the body and a of t is acceleration of the body in the direction of, where again this can be written as m, the a acceleration can be written as dv by dt. The rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. That again you want to v equal to in terms of displacement, then again m into d square by dt, where v of t is the linear velocity of the body, where x of t is the displacement of the body. Next, these mechanical translation systems are modeled by three ideal elements, means mass, spring and damper. This is first point definition about mass. Mass is considered as properties of element that store the kinetic energy of translation motion. If the W is denoted the weight of the body and capital M is given by mass. The mass equal to W by G, where G is the gravitational force or acceleration of free falls of the body due to gravity. It is one end of the mass is always connected to the ground. Okay. Next, linear spring. It is a linear spring. In practically the linear spring may be in the model of natural spring or compliance of the cable or belt. Or in general, spring is considered as element that store the potential energy. To store the potential energy. In almost all springs in real life, non-linear or to be extent. However, if the deformation of spring is very small, because then behavior can be approximately by linear relationship. And third one is friction. Friction, there is motion of tendency of the motion between the two physical element, and the friction force will be exit. Understood? The suppose one both solid is there, in between surface, the two contact between one surface of the body is fixed, other surface of body is the moment is there. That what happens? That friction will come. For example, on road, while a car is moving from the under road, while moving the direction opposite direction, that is the friction force. The friction force is encoded in physical system, are usually of a non-linear nature. Usually non-linear nature. These different type of friction are commonly used in practical system, that is viscous friction, static friction, and Coulomb friction. That is the Coulomb friction force is a force sliding friction between two dry surfaces. That is Coulomb friction. It is substantially constant. Okay, because the both dry surface of the body, that is friction between, that is Coulomb's friction force. And the second one is viscous friction force, and this is also force the friction between the moving surface separated by viscous fluid, or the force between the solid body and fluid media, that is the liquid. It is fluid medium or liquid medium also. This viscous friction force free friction is approximately the linear proportional to velocity. Therefore, viscous friction is directly proportional to linear uh, approximate linear proportional to velocity over certain limited of velocity range. That is viscous friction force. Another third one is stick. This is the force required to initiate motion between two contact of the surface. Just by suddenly while falling anything is there, that is the before that force will require, that is initiate motion, that is between two contact surface, that is the stick. In the most physical situation, the interest in inertia and that stimulation of inertia and the viscous friction, that is predominate, and this friction force act as in the direction opposite that velocity. Okay, the friction force is act as a direction opposite to the that of velocity. The element of viscous friction is often represented by dash spot. Here this basic type of mechanical system, that is a translation lane, that is translation, and this is rotational system. This is just showing the figure for this mechanical system in translation system. Okay. Next is the translation spring. It is the mechanical element that is deformed by external force, such that deformation directly proportional to force applied to the. Because this is a translation spring, just a small spring. When it is compressed, then expanded. When it is compressed and expanded. That is when it is compressed, and that to store the energy. When expanding, the spring is the original position. That is the translation spring. And this translation spring is force is applied between two end x1 and x2. While it x1 is a deform, that is one end is ground, therefore f into x1 rated. If both sides spring is there, x1 minus x2 also we can write. This equation of motion can write f equal to k time of x1 minus x2. Means one end is starting point of x1, second end is x2. Therefore difference, where k is the stiffness of the spring expression in terms of newtons per meter. Then is the translation damper. The damper is opposes rate of change of motion. Oppose the rate of change of motion. It is almost definition. And all the material exhibit property damping some extent. And this is the translation damper. And this is not enough to extra enough. Example dash point. It is added to the increasing damping. Okay. I will show this the next slide for the this damper common use dash point. This is door stopper. This is vehicle suspension. This is bridge suspension and flyover suspension, because we can almost all vehicle for two-wheeler vehicle, this vehicle suspension is always, while this is like a piston, while moment in the expression in the inside the liquid, this is the friction moment of the changing the moment of the, this is hollow. This is the example of dashboard. After completion of definition of the translation element, now we'll translation element and the corresponding equation of the motion as shown in the figure 2.1. The first element is mass element, and it is the block M, that is the mass. At the one end is reference, other end terminal is applied to the pore, and this is the displacement of x of t, and it is v of t velocity, and that f, then you write the motion of the equation, then f is equal to m into dv by dt. Therefore, again is that equal to m into d square by dt square, and this is the equation for one end is force, other end is this is 0. Therefore, f equal to m into d square x by dt square, or in terms of velocity means m into dv by dt. That is first one over. Next, similarly, that is linear spring element. That is one end is spring element is the displacement of x1, other end is displacement is x2, and similarly velocity, initial velocity and final velocity, that is v1 and v2. And when the spring is applied one end of this force f of t, then it is the spring, linear spring is directly proportional to displacement. Therefore, f equal to k time of x1 minus x2, that is equal to k time of x. And therefore, in terms of velocity, the k equal to in initial values to the t raised to integration of 0 to t, then v1 minus v2 into dt, or k equal to initial to equal to t, that v into dt. This is the writing of equation of the force of the external portion, the equation of motion. Then similarly, third L is damper element, and damper is also, this is the symbol for damper, and one it is piston like in towards this piston, away from the piston. This is the moment of this one left side of this it is moment, and it is hollow. This is for the liquid. Therefore, one end is the displacement is x1, other end is displacement x2, then velocity v1 and v2, then it is force equation, f of t is equal to, it is the damper element is directly proportional to velocity. Therefore, f equal to small f into v1 minus v2, that is equal to small f into v, or in terms of v1, then we write equal to x1 dot, then x2 dot, the x1 dot minus x2 dot, it is x1 dot means that is equal to dx by dt. Okay, dx by dt you can write. Okay, this is nothing but this is the equation for damper, and these units are x of t in terms of meter, velocity meters per second, mass of the body in terms of kg, then k is stiffness. Okay, this slide we are discussing about this translation system example. This is a considered mechanical system is shown in figure. Simple mass of the mass m, it is attached to the spring, that is stiffness k, and the dash point, that is the viscous friction coefficient f, on which force f is act. The displacement x is the positive in the direction of shown, it is f and positive direction, where v is the velocity. Then 0 position in the taken as a point where spring mass and it is statically equilibrium. Statically equilibrium. Okay. Now this is the diagram. One this is the reference. This is one end is ground. Then spring is connected to mass of the body. Then damper element also is connected to the mass, and this mass is connected to the below upward that force will be applied, and this is x is the displacement. From this mechanical system, that is the translation system, that is the draw the free body diagram. The free body diagram is just you make it block, and it is m. The force is applied upward direction f, and opposite force means this is the algebra sum of the force for external force is equal to the individual force of the body of the mass. That is, we can write F equal to K time of X. Another is F X dot. It is F X dot, and this is the displacement, the direction of X and V. And same thing we are to draw the mechanical network. And mechanical network, you draw the first X1, another is V1. Where from X1 dot, that is the mass of body. I will draw this mass of the body, and the force external is applied. It is parallel to mass of the body F. Then it is again these two are parallel. This is the parallel to the K, and it is also parallel because these two are parallel to the mass of the body, and these two mass of the body, one end is the K and damper element, that is grounding. This is the mechanical network. This is the systematical way analyzing the system to draw the free body diagram and respect to mechanical network. Then you apply Newton law of motion, which is stated that algebra sum of the force acting on the rigid body given direction equal to product of mass of the body and its acceleration in the same direction. And this is to the free body diagram or mechanical. The force equation can be written in terms of displacement or velocity. Let them write this equation. This free body diagram, F minus F into dx by dt minus K time of x, that is equal to m into d square by dt square. This is in terms of displacement, or that is equal to F equal to m into d square by dt plus F into dx by dt plus K time of x. Then similarly you can write this equation in terms of velocity, F minus capital F minus small f v minus K time of integration of v of t, that is equal to m into dy by dt, that in terms of F capital F equal to capital M dv by dt plus small f into v plus K time of integration of v of t. And this is the linear constant coefficient differential equation described by the dynamic of the mechanical system. This end, for this end is there, and this is end of this second equation is writing for this part. This part is from this node between y1 and y2 node, and this part is will be writing differential equation, and equation you write that is ground is there 0 equal to f2 into y2 dy2 by dy2 by dt minus dy1 by dt, there plus K time of y2. Okay, and this equation in terms of velocity. Okay, this first equation, and this is second differential equation in terms of this. Another obtain the differential equation mechanical system is shown in the figure. It is also another example. This example, what is there, and this is the on the top rope they are hanging or any floor, and they are connected to one spring, then damper, the damper in between one more spring they are connected, then mass, and here there is no force you apply, it is hanging by the moment of this by making use of the spring, that is weight of the body, the moment is there, that is the gravitational force, that force will be acting here. Now from this diagram I draw this mechanical network, very simple. What is that? X1 and another is X2. This X1 dot is connected to what is there? This and these two are parallel, and these two are parallel, and these two are parallel means X1 dot is equal to connected to K1, then X1 is directly connected to K2, that K2 and K1, and in between they are connected to body of this mass. Okay, okay, and then K2 and this K1 is directly connected to in between the node X2, that is damper, that is ground. Okay, this is the mechanical network, and this mechanical network, and now we will draw this free body diagram. It is M, and it is there is no force, and it is X1 and X2. This is direction is given. This is the when it is displacement is downward, that is X1, and it is opposite direction, that is K2 time of X1, K2 time of X1, then another is K1 time of X1 minus X2. This is X1 minus X2 because is other K1 spring, the two displacement will come, therefore K1 into X1 minus X2. Then after this K1 again this damper element is there, then it is opposite to F1 into X2 dot, it is another F1 into X2 dot, and this is the free body diagram. There similarly the mechanical network free body diagram, then you write this differential equation. Now M equal to d square x by this x1 by dt square plus k2 time of x1 plus k1 time of x1 minus x2, that is equal to, this is one differential equation. The same equation can written in the velocity, that is m into dv by dt. It is similarly. There is another terminal for this node. For this node, what is that? K1 x2 minus x1 plus f into for x2 dx2 by dt equal to 0. This is the second equation, and this is in terms of, okay, this is another differential equation for a mechanical system. Here one end is the ground reference, and this is K2 and F2 are spring and damper, that M2 is the mass of the body, and surface of this friction is zero friction, that is M1 M2, and in between this spring and alloy, and this displacement is Y1 and Y2, and the force is applied right side upload. It is pull this mass mass of the body M1, it is the mass of the body M1, this is the pulling, and this zero friction means there is no friction between the mass of the body of M1 and M2. And this diagram you have to draw this free body diagram. It is almost same for previous explanation. Just you understood this what that reaction. This is the first M1 you write it. M1 is F equal to y1 and V1. That is opposite reaction is K1 and F1. That is force. That is you have to write is Y1 minus Y2. Then you write from this direction is there means opposite, that you write y1 minus y2, k time y1 minus y2. Then here you write damper or friction, that is f into y1 dot minus y2 dot. Then it is also both opposite direction. This is also same. This is towards this m2. It is towards m2, and this is the displacement of y2. And it is opposite. It is k2 time of y2. It is f2 time of y1 y2 dot. Okay, this is equation, and this equation can be f1 f2 into minus f1 d1 d2 d2 k1 data. This is equal to, then finally equation write this differential equation. Then similarly for second mass of the body, this is the first mass of the body, you write this equation, and second mass of the body, this is second one, that is the k1 y1 minus y2 plus f1 dy1 by dt minus dy by dt minus k2 time of y2, then minus f2 time of dy2 by dt, that is equal to m of this, and this we have write this is differential equation. And these two equation in terms of we have to write in the describe in velocity f into dv by dt, that is the displacement in terms of velocity. This is both equations are example, And this example write differential equation governing wave of mechanical system, and here almost same problem. The only thing this is hanging, that is the horizontal, and here you have to you have to solve this problem. For this is exercise problem, you have to work out this problem, then you have to write an assignment. This is another example differential equation. The governing wave of the mechanical system, that is translation system, is shown in the figure. Here also same condition. The force is applied for m1 mass of the body. M2 also their force is applied. The two force is applying, and this displacement x1, x2, x3. Then this is free body diagram, and this is free body diagram. You can see that for this m, and this is the force, then opposite that is spring of k1, f2, x1 dot, and it is the one spring is there, other spring will not be there. That is kt time of difference between x1 minus x2. Then the force f2 is applied for m2. Then it is displacement is x2. Then the opposite direction is k3 time of x2 minus x3. Then it is opposite f3 minus small f3 minus x2 dot, and is m1. This is x3. This is a free body diagram, and from this free body diagram to mechanical system, and here node what is the x1, x2, x3, understood? And this is m1, this is m1, and is m2 and m3. That is the node x1. This is x1 baba, this is x1, this is x2, okay, this is x3, okay. And this diagram also force that is parallel is connected, that is parallel k2 also, that is in series with mode between a k2, and this is f2 force apply between the m2, and this is parallel, it is parallel is connected k1 and k2, and this is the node, okay. Now this is the differential equation wave of system. F1 of this equation can be written as same for the node at Newton's law of motion at node x1. The node x1 means what you write, f of t is equal to m1 into d square x1 by dt plus f into dx1 by dt plus k1 time of x1 plus that between the two, that is another spring between k2 time of x1 minus x2. Then similarly you write in terms of velocity also. Then another equation at node the Newton's law of motion at node x2, that is f2, then m2 ds square by dt plus k2 time of x2 minus x1, this is x3, it is f3, and this is dx2 by dt, then k3 time of x. This is the another expression for this one. It is another expression, and this another example. It is